Hey my friend and fellow trader Will here over at Pips&Gains, and welcome back to another trade analyst video. Today we're going to be looking once again at the US dollar, Canadian dollar. Donald Trump has already been moving the markets this morning early in Asia with some comments around tariffs. We had a huge drop yesterday on the US dollar CAD, and this morning we had a huge rally back up to yesterday's highs and higher. So let's have a quick look at the charts and see exactly what is going on and how you can best get into this position, because I do still feel that the best position is to the downside for the US dollar, Canadian dollars. First off, if you're not following me on TradingView, make sure you are. There is a link in the description of the video, or just search the FX Ace. Some great content and regular trade ideas over there for you. So let's first off look at the charts. Just look at this move this morning. I was pretty happy with this rally to the upside, as it got me into two of my first trades for the weeks. I'll just show you them now. I was looking to sell this week, as I mentioned in yesterday's video, US dollar CAD at 145. I thought I was missing out on this trade for my weekly swing positions yesterday, because we got this huge drop, but we got that spike up this morning, triggered my trade. It went straight back down to 144. Hit my break even and got me 100 pips so far, and it is looking like it's heading back up, so it might stop me out in that position, but I've already banked 50% and 100 pips. Also, it got me into my Euro CAD position. Also, similar story, hit break even. My trade manager EA closed 50% and moved the stop loss to entry price. So one trade already on this week. Let's have a look at the charts. So it is looking like this is the spike this morning. Market is looking like it's heading back up to it. If we look just to quickly zoom out to the weekly charts, again, very overextended move. We are in a range now between 145 and 143. We are in this weekly sell zone. The high of that is up at 146,700. Actually popped up to 145, above 145 this morning. Likely, if we just look at this again, maybe hit a lot of stops there, and then we got the 100 pip sell off. So what is next? Back out to the weekly. Yeah, I still feel we're heading down towards this breakout level here. This is an extremely overextended move in the on the weekly charts. We are inside this key area here. I think it's 18 straight weeks to the upside. Market is starting to move sideways and gets very choppy at the top of this move. The daily chart, if we look at the daily, a lot of volatility the past 3 days. Friday we got the false breakout, as I mentioned in yesterday's video. Price action late on Friday was indicating that a sell-off was likely. If we look at the 4-hour charts, we had this slow grind up to new multi-year highs on Friday, and as mentioned in yesterday's video, I was expecting a sell-off. I did want to see it pop up to 145 yesterday before the sell-off. It didn't occur, just dropped straight down, hit a low of 142,600, and we've been rallying up since. So what I'm looking to do now is basically I'm looking to resell this. So I'm waiting for maybe a move back up to today's high, and I'll be looking to fade any spike up higher. We do have the Canadian CPI, so any spike up I'll be looking to fade. Be looking for sell signals on my TRFX King indicator for the 1 hour to the 4-hour chart. So you're getting a lot of sell signals on the 4-hour, and at the bottom of the range a lot of buy signals. So the market what you'll likely see is maybe a move up test or above 145 again, and then selling off sharply again. Again, I am bearish on this. Previous videos I've mentioned the move is very overextended. If it is going to go to new highs towards 150, I expect it to pull back to 140 first, and be a good area to buy in at. If we look at the weekly charts again for targets, if we draw the fib line from the September low to today's high, we can see that 61 fib, 61.8 and the 50 fib, both lining up a nice resistance and a nice buy zone for me to target. I'll just draw that in the box. So this is kind of box area here. So those targets line up nicely with the previous resistance, which was that 2-year range from 130, between 139 and 132. We did get the breakout from this move in September, so this will be a likely target, and price will, highly suspect, be drawn straight down to there. So for long-term buyers, I think the market will appreciate over the coming months and years ahead. This will be a good area to get back in at. For me, this will be an area for me to target my shorts, 139, between 140 and 138. And then we'll reanalyze the market then, see what actually is going on fundamentally and what price action is saying, because we could just see drop back down into that level there. So that is what's going on with the US dollar, Canadian dollar. My weekly swing trade subscribers got a nice entry in it this morning. Nice 100 pips on that and 100 pips on the USDCAD. If you want to access that service, there will be a link in the description area of this video. And yeah, so that is it. I'm looking to short the US dollar CAD and down towards 140. Let me know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and I shall see you on another video very, very soon. Well over at Pips and Gains. Happy trading.